Hello, and a warm welcome. It is wonderful that you have found your way here today. Are you feeling physically tense right now? Your mind refusing to switch off while your shoulders get tighter and your neck grows stiffer? Then let us gently begin to do something about that. Without complicated exercises or long relaxation rituals, I will show you a single, very simple technique that will instantly release the tension in your body, layer by layer. All you have to do is listen and follow along. The basic idea is simple. Emotional stress leads to unconscious muscle tension. We will consciously break this cycle by using the language of our body. We will tense individual muscle groups one by one for a brief moment and then abruptly release them. Through this strong contrast, you will experience the sensation of release much more intensely. You are giving your nervous system the signal to switch from stress mode to a state of recovery. Before we begin, make sure you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. Silence your phone and find a position where you feel truly comfortable. You can either lie on your back, perhaps on a mat or in bed, or sit comfortably upright in a chair. If you are lying down, rest your arms loosely beside your body, perhaps with your palms turned upward. If you are sitting, place both feet flat on the floor and rest your hands gently on your thighs. And when you are ready, gently close your eyes and let us begin together. Allow your body to consciously sink a little deeper into the surface beneath you with each exhale. Surrender your full weight to the chair, sofa, or bed. Now, lovingly bring your attention to your breath without any intention of changing it. Simply notice how the breath comes and goes on its own. Let us now take 3 deep, conscious breaths together to truly arrive in this moment. Breathe in deeply through your nose, filling your belly like a balloon with fresh energy. Hold for a moment, and then slowly and audibly exhale through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath in. With this breath, gather all the hustle and tension of the day within you. And with a long exhale, let it all go. And one last time, breathe in deeply through your nose. And breathe out all the burdens of the day with a long exhale through your mouth. Wonderful. Your breath is now finding its own calm rhythm again. You are ready. I will now gently guide you. We will tense a muscle group for about 5 seconds, and then, in the same moment, let it go. Afterward, focus all your attention on the feeling of relaxation that spreads through that muscle group. Now, let your awareness travel to your right hand. Form a gentle yet firm fist. Feel the strength and tension in your hand and forearm. Hold this tension for a moment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. Simply let the tension melt away and allow your fingers to become completely soft. Tune into your right hand. Perhaps you notice a gentle tingling or a pleasant warmth. Your hand might feel heavier, softer, or have better circulation. Enjoy the difference between the tension and this deep, heavy relaxation. Now to your left hand. Clench it too into a firm, powerful fist. Feel the activity in your hand and forearm. Hold this strength for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. Now, allow your left hand as well to become completely soft and heavy. Is the feeling similar to the right side or a little different? Notice the difference without judgment. Feel the warmth and the sense of security in both of your arms and hands. Now, gently bring your attention to your face. Imagine you have a look of astonishment, raising your eyebrows high. Tense your forehead. Hold it here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Feel every worry line melt away from your forehead. Next, imagine you are biting into a juicy lemon. Squeeze your eyes shut and gently wrinkle your nose. Hold this tension. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go again. Feel the area around your eyes and your cheeks become completely soft. Now, gently press your lips together and activate your jaw without clenching your teeth. Hold the tension. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. Your entire face now feels soft, warm, and completely relaxed. Now, give your attention to your neck and shoulders. Let your shoulders travel powerfully up towards your ears, as if you were protecting yourself from something. Feel the tension. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let your shoulders drop with a deep sigh. Enjoy the wave of relief that flows from your neck down into your back. Now, travel further into the center of your body, to your back and abdomen. Activate the muscles of your upper back by imagining your shoulder blades want to touch in the middle. Hold this gentle tension. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Feel how your upper back gains a sense of spaciousness and ease. Next, let us give our attention to the abdomen. Gently draw your navel inward and make your core firm for a moment. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. Allow your abdominal wall to become soft again so that your breath can flow freely and without obstruction. Our journey now leads us further down to your legs, which carry you so faithfully through your life. Here too, let us begin with the right leg. Activate the strength in your thigh. Gently straighten the leg and pull your toes up towards your body. Feel the energy in the entire right leg. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let go. Feel the pleasant relaxation that flows through your thigh, your calf, and your foot after the tension. And now, finally, your left leg. Here too, activate your left thigh. Gently straighten the knee and pull your toes towards you. Put strength into the entire left leg one more time. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release completely. Now feel how both legs are resting. Pleasantly warm, heavy, and deeply relaxed. Now, perceive your entire body as a whole. From the soles of your feet all the way up to the crown of your head. Bathe in this collected, deep relaxation. Your whole body is in a state of pleasant tranquility. Everything feels soft, supported, and secure. Your nervous system has come to rest. Linger in this sensation for another moment. Feel this deep inner peace and dwell for a moment in this feeling of arriving within yourself. Very slowly, at your own pace, you can now prepare for the return journey. The relaxation remains a part of you, while your awareness gently returns to the room. Deepen your breath. Begin to very slowly move your fingers and toes. Circle your wrists and ankles very lovingly. Stretch and extend your body as if you were waking from a long, restful sleep. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and become aware of your surroundings again. Preserve this feeling of security and take it with you into the rest of your day or into a peaceful night. Remember, this place of relaxation is always available to you. Just a few minutes on a regular basis can make a huge difference. Thank you for taking this valuable time for yourself. Be good to yourself. Until next time.